Indianapolis is known as the racing capital of the world, home of the legendary Indianapolis Motor Speedway and more than a century of engineering innovation. Join us at the Jones Machinery Showroom Machine Tool Expo on November 5th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. for a day of machining technology, live demonstrations, and opportunities to connect with industry experts. Machines on display will include K3 and KMX knee mills, DPM bed mills, Track TRL lathes, TMC mills, and more. Lunch will be served from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and every attendee will be entered into a drawing to win a 55-inch Toshiba Smart TV. Whether you're looking to improve productivity, explore new machining solutions, or simply see the latest in track technology, the Jones Machinery Showroom Machine Tool Expo is an event you don't want to miss. We'll see you there.